Discover the top 5 stocks that are must-haves in your portfolio anytime. These stocks have proven resilience and long-term growth potential. Let's explore. Unlock the potential of ONGC, India's leading oil and gas exploration company. Explore stability and growth prospects for this industry giant. Dive into the diverse business segments of ITC. Discover the reasons behind its strong market presence and long-term growth potential. Hop on board with IRCTC, the backbone of India's railway network. Explore opportunities in railway catering and tourism. Fuel your portfolio with Indian Oil, India's largest oil refining and marketing company. Explore long-term returns in this essential industry. Discover the potential of BEML, a leading manufacturer of heavy equipment. Consider it for your investment portfolio. These top stocks are must-haves for your portfolio. Subscribe to our channel for more investment insights. Let's embark on a profitable investment journey together.